Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. It's been months without content on the channel. And then someone actually asked me, is the channel dead? No, it's not dead. No, it's not dead. So it feels good to be back, and then I'm super excited, So without further ado, let's go on to what I have for you guys today. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing one of Dell's products. That is the Dell VOSTRO. Don't mind me. So here's our products. And before we move on, if you're new to this channel, kindly make sure you subscribe for me. And then there are actually going to be more unboxing on the channel this year actually. So stay tuned. Alright. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so let's get right into Alright guys, so we are almost here. So what do you have here? That's the charger. And then what else do we have? This is quite small than I thought. But anyway, it will do. It's actually not a gamer machine, so I shouldn't have expected anything big. So 3, 2, 1, and then voila, here we go. I actually like how they'll actually pack their products, having this thing to actually guide the laptop so that nothing actually happens to it, right? So here at so that's it. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see the VOSTRO's 3510, right? Yeah, so that's it. Here we go. So I'll gently remove this and remove this one too. And then here we go. So guys, this is it. It's actually not that heavy. It's quite a beautiful laptop actually. Looks kind of flat for me, and then it's not that heavy. But I think one thing that I'm not getting to like is, see, just right now it's leaving marks. I think the finishing material is something that I don't like. For a start, yeah, it's something that I don't like because it's already leaving marks on the products, right? Yeah, so I think there is a fingerprint reader for this laptop too. Yeah, not bad. The touchpad is very big. I like it anyway. And then the keyboard is not something to really talk about, but I think it's quite good. But I don't actually like, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I like it anyway. Yeah, so let's see if it came with battery on. Trying to turn it on to see, but no. So guys, for some unfortunate reasons I lost some part of the video talking about the specifications of this laptop, but anyway, I'm going to put them in the description, so kindly do check them out. So guys, I'm actually done with every setting. So yeah, so I'm actually liking it anyway with the Windows 11 too. So thank you very much for watching this video, and then if this video you find it interesting, kindly make sure to subscribe to the channel, and then yeah, see you in my next video, and then ciao.
yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I